The latest Capital Market Authority report for the final quarter of 2025 shows that year on year, the bonds turnover surged by 70.9% to stand at 635.02 billion shillings compared to 371.5 billion recorded in the corresponding quarter. In the period under review, the government raised 260 billion shillings in the primary market through the reopening of 9 treasury bonds, including 1 saving development bond. Jimmy Mbogo has more.
The Capital Market Authority quarterly report shows that in the last quarter of 2025, the securities market rebounded, with the NSE 20 share index increasing by 5.60% to 3,139.19 points in the quarter, up from 2,972.64 points in the third quarter of 2025. The NSE All-Share Index also rose by 5.57% to 186.58 points in the quarter, up from 176.74 points in the previous quarter, while market capitalization increased by 5.75% to 2,944.54 billion in quarter 4 of 2025, up from 2,784.47 billion shillings in quarter 3 of 2025. CMA further notes that the market capitalization reached 3.04 trillion shillings in November 2025, surpassing the 3 trillion mark during the quarter under review, even as equity turnover decreased by 6.51% to 43.22 billion shillings in the quarter, down from 46.23 billion in the previous quarter. Further, in the period under review, CMA notes that Diaspora remittances declined significantly by 11.51% to stand at 383,000 in November 2025, down from the 438,789 recorded in the previous months. Despite the decline, the North American region continues to lead in diaspora remittance, contributing an average of 60.62%, with 21.89% coming from the rest of the world, even as 17.50% comes from Europe. The report coming at a time when overall economy continued on a positive trajectory, posting 4.9% expansion in the third quarter of 2025, compared to a growth of 4.2% in the corresponding quarter of 2024, which has been attributed to accelerated expansion in several sectors, including agriculture, forestry and fishing sectors, which grew by 3.2%, as well as rebounds in the construction, mining and quarrying activities, which rose by 6.7% and 16.6% respectively. But despite the mixed signals from the market, the capital market remains bullish over 2026 prospects. Jimmy Mbogo, Citizen TV, Nairobi.